Kamusta mga balibulista? Wagi ang PLDT high-speed hitters kontra sa Akari Chargers 25-17, 25-20, 25-19. Best player of the game si Majoy Baron sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 8 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinalo naman ng Chocomocho Flying Titans ang Galleries Tower High Risers 25-13, 25-19, 25-17. Best player of the game si Cherry Nonag sa likod ng kanyang 12 points mula sa 7 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Heto ang mga laro ngayong April 4, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game magharap ang Farm Fresh at Signal HD Spikers alas 4 ng hapon. Sa main game magtutos ang Inlex Led Chameleons at Strong Group Athletics alas 6 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings as of April 2, 2024. Chocomocho Flying Titans 6 wins, 1 loss. Creamline Colts Master 6 wins, 1 loss. PLDT High Speed Hitter 6 wins, 1 loss. Petrogas Angels 5 wins, 2 losses. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins, 2 losses. Signal HD Spikers 4 wins, 2 losses. Farm Fresh 2 wins, 4 losses. Akari Chargers 2 wins, 5 losses. Galleries Tower High Risers 2 wins, 5 losses. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win, 5 losses. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 6 losses. Strong Group Athletics 0 win, 6 losses.